What's up, everybody? How y'all doing today? I'm going to give you guys a tour of my fake upgraded Simplex fire alarm system. Um, so today we're going to start out in the bed in my playroom with the T-bar. I'm not gonna pull it down or get a key and twist it and pull it down. Guys, just activate the not the sirens, but the fire alarms. Got my speaker microphone for the one I'm going to show you that's upstairs. We got my 41ES panel. Our first driller made out of Legos. It's like sideways. And here I got 110 candela. Really cool fire alarm. In my playroom, got another True Alert with a different horn. So for Simplex, this is also 110 candela. Go upstairs to one of my other fire alarms for the system. Got a light on. In my bedroom. Yeah, my bed is a disaster. Sorry for that. There's another Simplex fire alarm. This is not a True Alert. This is horn strobe with a 41U/ES whoop tone. And yep. We're gonna do a quick little system testing. Guess it's stormy or something like that. Sorry for that. SpongeBob. Sorry about that, but I'll let you guys look at the ceiling. There's an ant on my laptop. Don't know why there was an ant on my laptop, but I don't know what's going on with my computer, but it's being a little trash bin right now. Well, I'll do the system test later. Sorry guys if this is going to take probably a little long time to reconnect to the internet. I don't know what's going on with my laptop, but for now guys, that's part 1. I'll start with part 2 with our system testing. Alright, bye.